All right, GBMC, this is the video to find the mini winner of the winner's choice between the Matthews and the Driver Authentic helmets. So we'll check the time, October 26th at 3:45 p.m. Going to go over to the mini and type live. And we have October 26th at 3:45 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever comes out on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Martin, spot number 5. You are our mini winner, so you will get the 3 main spots that are open. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, October 26th, 3:45 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.